Hello everyone and welcome to the JB Edit. Welcome to the first episode of Makeup by a Novice. I've started this series for all the makeup novices out there just like me. I don't consider myself an expert in makeup by any means. I am only learning and I'm learning through YouTube. So I wanted to just share this series with you all to show my journey, my progress with makeup, and I hope you find it interesting. Just take it with a pinch of salt because in these hard times we are not going anywhere and there is no need to put on makeup. But I'm just learning and this is sort of like a therapy for me. I just wanted to share my journey with you in the hopes that it entertains you in these hard times. And maybe you are also in the same position as I am. Maybe you are also starting to learn makeup and starting to do a little bit of glam here and there. So I created this look today with very limited makeup, very affordable makeup products. And if you are interested to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off with an already moisturized face. I'm taking this Insight 3-in-1 long-lasting primer. I will apply this on the centers of my face, mostly concentrating it on my T-zone. This is where you are recommended to put your primer, and I am going to push this primer in and massage it very nicely into my skin. Then I'm going to take the Fit Me foundation in the shade 1-8 Warm Nude. This is my exact tone, but right now I am tanned and thus it is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. But I'm going to try to get a very sheer coverage because it's an everyday look and I don't want a very heavy coverage. So I'm just dotting a few dots into my skin and then spreading it with a brush. I am doing this with a brush because it will give me more coverage. With a sponge, it absorbs a lot of product and makes it more sheer. The coverage seems nice and dewy. Next, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Concealer Palette. I am not sure how this palette is because it did not give me much coverage. Even though I was looking for a light coverage, but this concealer was not great. It did not give me a good coverage, plus it was very hard to blend. Next, I'm taking this Fit Me Compact in the same shade 1-28 Warm Nude and gently patting it all over my face. Because it's summer and it's very hot, I wanted to pat and set my foundation in place so that it did not move. Next, I'm taking this Wadi Herbals Lip Balm and moisturizing my lips. I'm going to fill my brows in off camera. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 330 Toffee and I will bronze my face using this. This is a very nice shade for a bronzer. It gives a very nice subtle bronzed look to the face. I will also contour my nose with the same product, and then I will also take this product on my eyelids and define my crease a bit. Next, I'm going in with this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. This is a decent eyeshadow palette. It has a few pigmented matte colors and a few shimmer colors, and I have been using this for quite some time and I quite like it. So I'm taking a lighter shade and putting it on my crease. Then I'm taking this burgundy color and putting it all over my eyelids. I'm going to blend this very nicely and trying to build the coverage. I'm taking the same color to my inner lash line. Then to deepen the crease, I'm taking the darker brown color and trying to define my crease even more. Then I'm taking the darkest brown color in a small pencil brush and trying to define my outer corner. So this will again give depth and definition to the eyes. Next, I'm going to take this shimmer foil shade and put this all across my lid. Mainly concentrating it on the inner 2/3. I will pat this in with my fingers trying to get the maximum coverage. I will again blend the edges so that everything is seamless. I'll take the darkest brown color in the palette to my lower lash line Then taking this peachy shade, I will put this just to the centers of my lids to bring more definition to the eyes and also make the eyes pop. Then I'm going to take this Blue Heaven liquid eyeliner and I'll try to draw a wing liner. I'm not very good at this, but I am trying and I am getting better at it. Next, I'm going to put the false eyelashes. I have used the Swiss Beauty eyelashes in the variant Vamp. Next, I'm taking this blush palette by Swiss Beauty and taking this coral shade. This is a very beautiful shade. I'm going to concentrate it on the temples and high points of my face. And then I'm going to take the Insight lip liner in the shade Snow Pink and going to line my lips. This is again a very nice creamy pencil. Next, I'm going to take this Stay Quirky liquid lipstick in the shade Naughty Conversation Starter, and I'm just going to dot a few dots on my lip and spread it with the help of a pencil brush. Next, I'm going to take this highlighter by Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals and going to highlight all the high points of my face, my inner corners and my brow bones. I'm taking this NYB Kohl pencil and tight lining my upper lashes, and that's it. That's the finished look. So this is the end result. I have added some oxidized jhumkas. These are, or what do you call them? Do you call them chandwalis? These are my sisters. I love this lip look. I generally go for nude, but this is like a pinky sort of a nice vibrant pink look, and I love the way the foundation looks on my skin. I know it's a little light, but now because it's a sheer coverage, it has almost like settled into my skin. I know my hands and my hands and my face don't match, but my body is darker than my skin, so I can't help that. I'm always tanned. I like how this makeup turned out. I have just opened my hair into this soft wavy look. I haven't done much. I've just combed through my hair, and yeah, these lashes look bomb. I am not very good at putting lashes and I don't think they suit me much, but this is good. And yeah, I hope you liked watching this first episode of Makeup by a Novice. In case you did, please give it a thumbs up, and in case you want to see more makeup videos in this series, I would be very glad if you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.